Do you know what is the megapixel of our eye, or do you know what is the statement called non-perception glasses? And there are a lot of questions in the name of spectacles, and we are going to see all these things in a brief manner. And let's start the video right now. First of all, the most important thing in our whole body is our eye. Without eye, we can't do anything, and we want our eye for everything we do. And the megapixel of our eye is 576 pixels. That means we are seeing everything in the world at a rate of 576 megapixel, and that says that we should preserve our eye the most, and the vital part in our whole human body is the eye, and we should preserve it a lot. And now in our smartphone world, there are a lot of mobile phones which are produced with lot of megapixels, and in the future too there may be a chance of a mobile phone that will be produced with a megapixel that are higher than our human eye. But in that situation too, it can't be compared. That's an impossible comparison. For example, in our near future too, there is a situation where Samsung and Redmi are collaborating with each other, and they are going to produce with a megapixel of 108. That's why you should also take into account that these are all, that is the megapixel of our human eye is all a prediction, is all an information when it comes to a link between megapixel and a human eye. And now moving to another part, do you know what is mean by non-perception glasses? These are all glasses that are worn for fashion purposes. That is, the human will not have any defect on their eye but will only wear for fashion purposes, and definitely this will affect his human eye. The reason behind why these glasses will affect the human eye is because when they wear these glasses, they don't have any defect on their human eye, right? So when they wear these glasses, the human eye will have to focus on the glass and then to the rear image, and that's why these glasses will affect the human eye. Now moving on to an important part, many people will wear glasses when they are having a defect in their eye, and yes, definitely when they are wearing power glasses, it will be easy for them to read or view any image. And yes, some might have known this information, and the real truth is wearing these glasses will not make your eyesight increase or decrease. It will only make your eyesight at a stable level. That is, it will only help you to read the information and view the image clearly. That is the only work that this will do. The only way to improve the human eye is to do some exercises to their eyes, and that is the only solution to improve the human eye's vision. That's all guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel, and if you want me to talk about your favorite topic, just leave it in the comment and I will do it for you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye.